Hey, let's take a peek.
Hey there! I didn't post anything for a month and sorry for that, but don't worry, there's a lot of stuff in preparation right now. I also had to put my own projects into hold due to it all. Anyway, recently I participated in a game jam. I had to learn about REST API in order to be able to meet the criteria. Why that? Because the game jam was sponsored by LootLocker and we had to use their system to implement a global leaderboard. Well, that could be done without the REST API as their SDK contains enough nodes to make it all possible, but I like to push myself harder as new knowledge is always appreciated. And if you want to know what's so amazing about the REST API stuff, here's a global leaderboard in my game called Hermes Infinite. Now you can see every player that tried the game out. And thanks to Motoko for the game name suggestion, that sounds way better than my Yeah. I'm also working on a project that fully implements the LootLocker functionality using Varus plugin for the REST API, and also together with SwipeScore we are making a plugin to make implementation way easier and smaller as the custom nodes will contain the API requests, and the only thing you will have to do is just put the values like player name you want to change or points you want to submit to your leaderboard. So those are the things that hold me right now from uploading any video, but there are at least 3 upcoming of them. And also I want to finally make a new video playlist called Quick Thread, but that's gonna take a while. And the last thing is, well, maybe I'll just upload a special video for that one.